Hey guys, kind of wanted to do a little quick video of me driving the E39 530. It just kind of gives my feedback towards it. Yeah, man, this car right here, I bought it off of an auction, and an insurance company decided to get rid of it, and luckily the insurance company didn't salvage it because it wasn't worthy of being salvaged. They just kind of got rid of it because I guess the person who had the car before me had probably hit something in the road which messed up the control arm on this car. The upper and the lower control arm, and the insurance kind of just said, you know, we're just gonna write it off. So I got it from the auction, fixed the control arms, and now fixed the control arms, did an alignment, and now it's running smooth. Like, this car right here is by far the best car that I've ever owned. And I've owned plenty of cars, and I've driven many cars. Like, this and my Toyota Avalon was probably like my best sedans that I really enjoyed driving in. They were very comfortable. Well, the Avalon was very comfortable. Now my sister's driving it. But it was just such a, they're both just very quiet inside when you're driving it. And this one right here, the reason I love it is because of the fact that, one, it's a 5-speed manual. It don't get better than that, man. You don't hear that? This is a fun car to have. Like, I wouldn't ask for another car, man. And it's just, when you want to go, it goes. When you want to, you know, vibe and chill out, it chills. So, and it's a 2002 BMW 530 now. It has 171,000 miles, and the engine is, when I tell you, in tip-top shape, like tip-top. Oh man, I wouldn't have any other vehicle, bro. I literally want to keep this vehicle for a very long time, so I'm gonna do, you know, my absolute to, you know, take care of it and make sure that, you know, it doesn't have any issues. So I just got to the place that I needed to get to. I just wanted to make a quick little 5-minute, well, it wasn't even a 5-minute video, more of like a 3-minute video. But I've owned 2 other BMWs aside from this. And they both don't ride like this. This rides like a freaking tank, but a tank that just, it has such a what word can I say? It has such a finesse to it. Let me say that. It finesses the road. Like, it drives so great. And I wouldn't trade it for any other car. Like, I had a 3 Series, and that 3 Series to me honestly does not drive like this. It doesn't feel like this. 3 Series feels like a freaking toy car to me, compared to this that feels like a man's car. It feels like it's meant, you know, it's meant to be beaten, not beaten, you know, horribly, like, you know, people who don't take care of their vehicles, but it's meant to be driven. Like, this is when BMW really made cars to be driven. They didn't make cars just for, you know, for the numbers. They made these cars to last, and they made these cars, you know, for a driver. Like, they made these cars driver focused. So this is kind of like this was a quick little drive and quick little review of the car that I have, you know. I really love it, and I'm gonna be making some more videos with it soon. Some like auto vlogs, me driving around, me saying, you know, things I like about it, me saying things I don't like about it. So you know, stay tuned for the next few videos that come. I hope to do a lot of content with this vehicle, and I hope that you guys enjoy what I'm going to do with this vehicle, and I hope that you guys enjoy the process of my build in this vehicle. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. More E39 content coming, and more content for other cars in general coming. I plan on doing a lot of reviews. I haven't started yet, but mark my words, I want to do that. So stay tuned, and see you next time.